Hello students, welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 8, Circulatory System and Excretory System. You already know that our body has different organs and according to their functions, organs are grouped into different organ system and these organ systems work together so that our body can function normally. We have already learned about circulatory system. Circulatory system is an organ system that helps to transport substances inside our body. This system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Now, continuing with that, today we will learn about excretory system and how it works in our body. Let's have a look. Living organisms perform a number of activities. In these activities, many waste products formed. These waste products are toxic. These toxic waste can harm us. So, they must be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste products formed in the body of living organisms is called excretion, and the excretory system helps in getting rid of wastes formed inside our body. The excretory system consists of a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, a pair of tubes called ureters, and a urethra. Now let's see the functions of these organs in detail one by one. Kidneys. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs. They are the main organs of excretory system. They filter the blood and pass the waste products through ureters in the form of urine. Means the formation of urine takes place inside the kidneys. Urine contains harmful waste products formed inside the body. Next, ureters. Ureters are the muscular tubes that connects kidneys to the urinary bladder. They carry urine from the kidneys to urinary bladder. Next, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is a muscular organ that collects urine from the kidneys before passing it out of the body. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder. Next, urethra. The urethra helps to pass the urine out of the body. Now, let us revise it. See in this picture, the formation of urine takes place inside the kidneys. Ureters carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The urine is stored in the urinary bladder and the urethra helps to pass the urine out of the body. So students, as I told you in the last video that our body is a living machine. We have to take care of our body. For example, when any part of a scooter stops working, the scooter won't function properly and we have to take it to the mechanic to get it fixed. Similarly, when any of the organs of our body stops working, the entire organ system gets affected. For example, if your heart stops beating, no blood gets pumped round your body. So, very quickly, the rest of your body stops working. So, care is better than cure. Hope you must have understood this topic well. That's all for now. Thank you.